Oh god, I'm hiccuping.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa. Fuck me.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Oh my god, fuck. So bad. Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Fuck, am I gonna wake the troll up with my hiccups?
Wingardium Leviosa.
I'm okay.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Got it? Got it?
Wingardium Leviosa.
Why? Why? Why live? Why do you give me the hiccups now? Oh, fuck. Fuck. He's a fucking idiot.
Alahimora.
I never learned that spell.
That was a close one. Let's see what's next.
Oh god. Oh god, here we go. Go.
Looks like you'll have to choose the cup that contains the knight
What
and the
the
shield.
fuck?
Did you see the symbol on the shield? It looks like an ice potion. That must be what we need to get through the fire.
Hey, boys, boys. This is it. This is it. Fucking fuck. Left, right, middle, left, middle, left, middle, left, middle, right, right. Easy. What the fuck? Nintendo! Where am I? Nintendo! No head. He's dead. He's fucking dead. Pussy. Holy fuck!
Great, Harry. But there's only one potion.
No!
You'll have to go on alone.
No,
I'm
Hermione!
afraid. I'm going to
Let's
find
share
some
it.
help for Ron. Please be
Fuck.
careful, Harry.
What the? What the fuck? I look like I'm a slime girl. Is this where he who shall not be named Mr. Volt is? Is this where he is? Okay, look away unless you want to die. The fuck? Oh, okay, no, yeah, there's a whole way. It's giving me health. It's so bad. It's fine. I'm getting nerfed by Voldemort. Oh fuck! I can't. Hello?
I wondered whether I was meeting you here, Potter. You're far too inquisitive to remain among the living.
What the fuck is that? Bad, I'm a fucking Dark Souls player. Bad! Oh shit. What the fuck? This guy's crazy! How'd I kick a shield? Swing, swing, pussy! Fuck, swing! And this is why shield users are cringe. Wait, But I'm an arcane user, I'm even worse. What the fuck?
Nintendo! Nintendo!
Do the hands up!
Nintendo!
Well, no. No. Yeah. What the fuck?
Nintendo!
Holy shit, look at this camera. What the fuck?
Nintendo! Nintendo!
Easy.
Nintendo!
It's John Dark Souls? It hurts! My leg! You fucking chopped it off! Fuck the hiccups. I feel like I'm choking. I can't roll, there's no roll. I just gotta get him to swing and then move away. Ah!
Nintendo!
Bad! What the fuck? Oh god. Oh no. Oh no, we're fucking dead. There's no way. What? What the motherfucking what? What? He swung me from like 10 miles away. Oh god, how do I get rid of my hiccups? I gotta hold my breath, I think. Okay, I think I'm good now. It's also the fault of the music.